some olive oil. Garlic. Black pepper. Little bit soy sauce. 1 tablespoon. And I put fish sauce. Patis. 1 teaspoon. I put 1/4 cube. And I put some lumpia seasoning mix. 1 pack is fine. And I just want to make this meat brown. Carrot and the rest of onion. Cabbage. Just need to cook this probably 1 minute. And this is ready for lumpia to wrap. Okay guys, ito na yung lumpia stuffing. So what we gonna do is we use egg guys para maano siya stick when you roll it. 1 egg. I use 3 egg. I need to do is just mix it up. Pwede nyo din kamayin, but gumamit kayo ng gloves para ma-mix siya properly and better mixing. Okay. So, isi-sit aside natin to guys. Kasi mag-prepare tayo ng wrapper. Ito yung wrapper ko. I like this kind of wrapper though. because it's not breaking right away. So, ginawa ko sa wrapper, ito lang siya yung edges niya kasi para madali siyang makuha yung ano niya, pieces of wrapping, kasi ito nag-i-stick siya eh. Ito, ganunan mo lang. So I use two different wrapper. This one because it is stick really good, and I use also this kind of wrapper. It's just also sticky right away. It's skinny but it's stick, so I prefer to use that kind. This I got a ball, and I just need to get one egg. So this is I rub the edges of the lumpia wrapper so that when you roll it at the end, a stick. This is what I'm doing. Okay, so we're gonna get ready with that and prepare that one. Okay. Now what we're gonna do, we can take one piece at a time. Hindi ko siya I didn't put outside, that's why really stick pa siya, kasi kinuha ko ito galing pa sa refrigerator. Okay lang, basta hindi lang siya magbe-break, okay lang yun. We just need to be patient. So ang gawin ko, so we just need to get some lumpia stuffing mix and put that there. So you just put enough so that you can have still more space of wrapping to fold that. And this is the egg wash that we did, this one. So I just used that at the end. Oh, nothing. So that it is actually, you can also use water, but now I love to use this because lalo siyang mag-i-stick sa wrapping. So I have the layer here. I just need to put that there. Okay, I'm gonna repeat the process. And we just have to be patient to do it. It is all worth it when at the end, if you've done all of them. Okay, so same thing. Okay, yung inaplong niya, lagay mo. Kita ko sa inyo. See, naroll na siya, di ba? Yeah. Yeah, naroll na siya. Alright guys, nakagawa tayo ng 30 pieces. So, we made 30 pieces lumpia. So, I get ready the fryer to warm up so that we can fry some of them. Okay? And may naiwan pa dito, it left over, but I can finish roll this later after I going back to work. So yeah, this is all that we made in this one. Okay, so it's a lot when we made lumpia. Mayroon pa akong naiwan sa freezer, so unahin ko pag-fry ito yung na-press ko. Okay, unahin ko pag-fry ito. This one. So this is the frozen one. You can also froze your lumpia. If you guys did not finish it, or before you fry it, you can always press it, the raw one. Okay, this is the one that is in the freezer. So we cook this first, and this is the one we just made. I just need to put that one to put in the freezer. Okay, nasa sealed or nara-wrap properly. So yun, ano, okay guys, ito na. So ito ang i-press natin yung we just made it. So we put that in the freezer. Okay guys, na warm up na natin yung ano, fry. Yan mo doon. Yung ano. Okay lang yung ganun. Fry natin. So fry like that. Okay guys, cook some pieces of lumpia. Cooked already. Okay. Alright, it's easy and simple guys.